going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to return value from a function. In order to solve this one, I'm going to create a program that's going to calculate the bonus, and it's going to return the bonus and print it out on the screen. Okay, now let's go ahead and create a program for that. Let's create it down here, and also let's get rid of this one. Now I'm going to call this function as calculate bonus, and we are going to calculate the bonus based on the years worked. So I'm going to declare an integer type of variable, and that's years worked, and in this one I'm going to create an equation for the bonus. To create the equation for the bonus, first I have to declare an integer type of variable for bonus. So let's say integer bonus, and that is equivalent to years worked, and let's say that's multiplied by 250. So based on the year, it's going to increase. Each year it multiply by 250. Then also we are going to say if the years is more than 10, if an employee worked more than 10 years, we are going to add additional 1000 bonus. So let's say years worked is more than 1000, actually more than 10, we are going to add $1,000. So to add $1,000, we are going to create another equation, that's bonus plus equal 1000, and then after we calculate the bonus, we are going to return bonus. So you have to mention what are you going to return if you don't have a void type of function. So here we have integer type of function, that's why we write bonus right here. So it refers what's the value is going to return for this function. Now here we have to, since we are doing another function, we have to do the prototyping on top. So let's go ahead and do that. We just have to copy paste and put a semicolon. Okay, now we have done the prototyping. Now inside of this function, we are going to give the printf statement. First I'm going to create, let's say I worked in a company, Thiliband's bonus, and let's say I worked like 14 years. So calculate bonus, I worked 14 years, so I put 14 inside of this one, so it's going to replace this 14 with years worked. Okay, that's why we put it in a bracket. And then let's say, okay, let's print this one out. So I give a printf statement. In this one I'm going to say Thiliband gets $%d $d\n, and then it's going to print out whatever stored in Thiliband's bonus. Okay, let's go ahead and run this one. Okay, something wrong. The bonus should be small letter. Okay, this one. This one should be together. I cannot name a function like this. Okay. Calculate bonus. Okay, this one is capital letter. Okay, now it's print out 4500. Now let's say introduce another employee. Let's say we have another employee. Let's call this one Emma. Emma's bonus, let's say Emma worked for 3 years, and I have to give a printf statement for that one. Copy paste it right here, and this is Emma, and this should be Emma's bonus. And that's it. Now let's go ahead and print this one, and let's see what we have. So Emma gets $750, Taliban gets $4,500. Now here you can do one more thing. So here what's happening is it's calculating the bonus and replacing it with this one. Okay, so if it's 14 year, it's going to calculate for 14 year and replace the bonus with this one. So that's why we are getting the value right here. And also, instead of doing like that, you can directly put it right here. Like instead of Taliban's bonus, you can copy this one, paste it right here. And also Emma's bonus, you copy this one and paste it right here. And you can completely get rid of this one. And if you print this one, you're going to get the same thing. See, we are getting the same thing. And that's how we do the return values in C programming. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn C or C++ programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and get the code access. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.